The robotics competition that we participate in is called the Best Robotics Competition. It's a multitude of competitions, actually. It's not just a robotics competition. There's also a presentation part, a journal part, and I think that through those aspects, it makes the, hence, best competition. The robotics mission that we had was to get a bunch of materials that the sponsors gave us and build a robot like the picture on the board there. We had a design team, we had an engineering team, a construction team, we had people programming. It was all a learning experience for all of us because it was something new to us. Usually in McAllen, we don't have as many opportunities to look into robotics, to look into electronics and figuring out how motors work, how does coding work. But with this club, I've figured out, with the help of my friends, that we can build a robot, we can code it to do something, and in the competition, we did fairly well. I think that in this club, teamwork was a very important aspect that needed to be dealt with. We split the work between engineering, construction, programming, and then there was a financial part where we would get our fundraising and our shirt designs, and then buying the shirts. So everybody wanted to do something, and it was their choice to join whichever department they wanted to be in. And I think that once we had the ideas in the engineering section, then those ideas were transferred into the construction section. And then the programming people, they programmed the robot. And then the financial people, they were the ones who provided the support, the financial support that we needed to get the club going and to continue the club.
The robot had a crane, and using the crane we had to get different materials. We had to design the robot so that it could be used in a cave and the obstacle course. And that was pretty much the robotics portion of the competition.
Here, let's just open it up. There, now close it. Now see.
Yeah. And as for the marketing portion of the competition, there was a specific group that marketed our company, our robot company, and it also presented our journals, our website, and it presented our report.
We learned that communication was very important, so apart from just communicating within the team, communicating with other people outside of the team, especially to learn about the product and our company, was really important.
I think that with this structure, we've been really exposed to how the real world works. How in government there is a structure, and we had that in our club, and then that government has a purpose, and we in our club have a purpose, and we fulfilled that purpose to the best of our ability.